So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add audio to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So the first thing you have to do is open up Canva. Now once that is done, I want you to go to the left hand side of your screen, press on elements right here. I'm currently on the videos tab. We'll scroll down to where it says audio right here. You can go ahead and press on see all. Now, once you're here, there's a bunch of different audios that you can add. You can add some background music, you can add some songs, whatever the case may be. It's kind of all right here at your disposal. You can also go to the top right here and search up, I don't know, piano as an example right there. There's a whole bunch of different, different audio items you can use that are related to piano right here on your screen. So you can go ahead here and press on. You can add it right here. It also is, for you guys from like Pixabay and stuff like that. So you can use it for commercial use if you want. No worries there whatsoever. You can go ahead and bring this over to your page right here. You can play it. Now if you go to the bottom right here, the song will be in the background. You can make it more, you can make it less. You can also slide around whereabouts is being played. You can press the things right here. You can adjust, you can fade, you can change the volume, whatever the case may be. All these options are right in front of you at your disposal. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to add audio to your design here on Canva. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.